Hello friends, in this video I am going to teach you how to create line chart in Excel. To create line chart, I have already prepared a dummy data which you can see on the screen. I have listed 5 products named as product A, product B, product C, product D and product E. And in the next column I have listed the cost of each product. So we will use this data to create line chart. To create line chart, we have to select entire data on which we have to prepare the line chart. So here we have selected all the cells and we have to go to the insert tab as we are already in the insert tab. Further we have to go to the charts group and here we can see the option or command to create the line chart. If we look carefully, we can see one drop down arrow, and if we click on this arrow, we can further see the options to create the line chart. So there are two categories available, 2D line and 3D line. So based upon our choice, we can select any of the 2D line or 3D line chart. In this video tutorial, we will see how to create 2D line chart. Just we have to click the first line chart style and we can see our line chart is now created. One point is very important to keep in mind here is that if we click on this chart, we can see there are two additional tabs, design tab and format tab will get enabled on the ribbon, and if we click outside the chart, these two tabs will get disabled. So further, with the help of this design tab, we can also convert this chart into multiple styles, or we can also change the color of our line. Let's see how we can do this. First of all, we will see how we can change this chart style. For this, we have to click on this chart so that design tab and format tab will get enabled. Out of these two tabs, we have to click on the design tab, and here we can see under chart style we can see various chart styles. If we just place our mouse cursor here, we can see that this is style 1, this is style 2, style 3, style 4, style 5 likewise. We can select any of this style. Let's say select style 3 and our chart is now converted into different type. We can also change the color of this style. How? To change the color, in the chart style group itself we can find this command to change the colors. If we click on this, we can see the multiple colors. Let's see, we can select this color 3 and the color of our chart is now converted from blue color to red color. So this is very simple process. You can try, and I'm sure that you are also will be able to convert this data into line chart. That's all from this video. Thank you. Have a great time. I hope you enjoyed this video. If yes, hit like button and share with your friends. If you have any questions, suggestions or feedback, do let us know through your comments. And most important, subscribe to our channel and press bell icon to get notifications about our newly uploaded videos.